Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy chicken fingers made with canned chicken. I saw this recipe on TikTok, I guess it's going viral over there, and thought I would try it out. Let's get started. Down below in the description box you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. To begin, I have a thing of canned chicken, and this is 12 ounces. You can get the 10-ounce can as well. And then I drained it, and I have a half cup of cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. You can use whatever kind of shredded cheese that you want, but you want it to be shredded. Quarter teaspoon of pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1 large egg, and that's all you need. Super easy. Got this large bowl here. I'm gonna put this egg in there. We're gonna kind of just mix this up a little bit. Add that pepper, add that garlic powder, add that cheese, and this is going to be the binder that's going to bind this chicken together. Add this chicken, and I'm going to break up any of these larger chunks of chicken. Also at this time, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 205 Celsius. Okay, there we go. Now we just need to form these into little chicken fingers. You can use gloves, like these kitchen gloves, or you can just use very clean hands. I'm just gonna grab some of this, and we're just gonna kind of squish it together and just form it into a long, kind of like a long thing like this. Just put it on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or silicone baking mat. And then once you have them all formed like this, they're ready to be baked. Now this recipe is going to make somewhere between 8 to 12, depending on how large you make them. Into the oven it goes, again 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 Celsius, and we're going to bake them for about 20 minutes. On to that step. And when they come out of the oven, they will look something like this, nice and golden brown. And then just let them cool for about 10 minutes before you can eat them. And then you can dip them in like ranch or barbecue sauce or ketchup or something else if you want, or just eat them plain. Totally up to you. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. I'm going to grab this one. Look at on the bottom, nice and golden brown. I'm going to go into some barbecue sauce. These are actually really, really awesome. You got some cheesy in there, you got the chicken in there, nice and crusty on the outside. Great way to make some chicken fingers, or like you can do chicken nuggets that way as well. And hardly any ingredients. Awesome.